So here's how you add a thumbnail to your YouTube video on mobile. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, we talk about everything to do with business, marketing, and video tips. So if that sounds interesting to you, then do consider subscribing. So to add your thumbnail to your YouTube video on mobile, it's really easy. All you have to do is go onto your app store and download the YouTube Studio app, whether you're on Android or iOS. Go ahead and open that up and then go find the video you want to upload a thumbnail to. So for this, all you have to do is go on the tab here and go onto videos, then find the video you want to change. So this one, we're going to change this video. All you have to do is go on the edit button right here, then click on the edit button again, and then it will say edit thumbnail. So to change it, you just click on change thumbnail. So if I wanted to select this photo as my thumbnail, then I could just do select and then press save. And then as you can see, it's now updated the thumbnail. And then as you can see, I've just changed the thumbnail again. It's super easy to do. All you have to do is download your thumbnail or create your thumbnail on your phone, and then you can upload it to YouTube straight within the YouTube Studio app. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, do leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.